Our pharmacy degree is designed to meet the demands of modern healthcare. The role of pharmacists is changing, the world in which pharmacists practice is changing, and therefore the way we teach and train pharmacists needs to change.
Pharmacy at Swansea is designed to produce the pharmacists of the future. Our programme covers the science that underpins pharmacy practice, introducing patient-centred learning and injecting a modern digital thread.
Our blended approach will train you to be a pharmacist, ready for future technological developments in the rapidly changing healthcare environment you will face.
We will teach you about the discovery, design and development of medicines. If you have an interest and passion for chemistry and life sciences and want to help improve patient health, outcomes and well-being, a degree in pharmacy is the answer.
Pharmacy will allow you to take your passion for chemistry and the life sciences and apply a practical knowledge of drugs and medicines.
You'll be able to apply your pharmaceutical knowledge to the complex puzzles of human health and well-being. Our team of experts who have practiced and taught pharmacy globally know from their experience that pharmacy practice, patient care and medicines development is about solving puzzles and finding answers to questions. Questions like, what is this molecule? How does it work? And how can we use it to improve patient care and well-being?